people have died in the past few days by birds.
Mitch, I'm scared of what's going to happen to us.
Don't worry, we'll be okay.
Die, bird. Who there?
Well, I come in peace looking for
Whoa, whoa!
He's telling the truth. Is there any way you can help us for survivors?
I don't know about you guys. We'll have to go with my gut on this one.
What's your name?
What's your name?
I'm Mitch, and that's Melanie.
Melanie what? Mitch what?
Melanie Daniels.
I'm Tyree. You guys need to take these guns just in case any birds attack.
I would never use one of those to kill a bird.
Melanie, just take the gun. You're gonna need it.
Mitch, I'm not taking the gun.
You're gonna regret that decision.
What are your plans for staying alive?
Well, I heard about this survivor colony down in El Dorado Hills.
It's just a rumor.
It's just a rumor. What the hell are we supposed to do?
I don't know. Okay, we'll go to El Dorado Hills.
Alright.
Hey, wait. How are we gonna get to El Dorado Hills?
Oh yeah, I never really thought about that much, but I was thinking about taking one of these cars here.
Do you know how to hijack a car or something?
Yeah, my dad taught me how to hijack a car when I was a kid, so we should have to go.
Oh my God! It's a bird! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Mitch! Tyree! Where'd you go? Hey! Where are you? Where are you? Ah! Bird! Oh, shit! Ah! Oh my God! Oh! Whoa! Oh!
Get off me! Melanie, I'm sorry. Are you okay? Oh my God! Melanie, no! Are you up? Melanie! Man, I can't believe she's dead.
I know.
Now we have to dig this grave for her.
How are we gonna get to El Dorado Hills with only 2 people?
I don't know. And this cuts off so much time. There could be more birds out there too.
If only she took the gun.
Oh my God, I know. I'm gonna be over here.
Go do that. I guess it's time to go.
Yep.
You know what that means, right?
Yeah.
It means we're going through Folsom.
The most bird-infested town in the world.
It's gonna be crazy.
I know, man.
I found this old-looking car on the side of the road, you know, easy to hijack, so it's gonna be a lot. It's gonna be pretty,
Pretty
quick.
intense, man.
You know, pretty.
Okay, well, it's gonna take quite a while to get there, man.
Yeah, all right, let's go.
Let's start. Gotta get on the road. Okay, ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Shh. Oh my god, my arm! Ow! That car sucks!
How are we gonna get to
Oh my
Ultra
god,
Hills
it's
now?
broken!
Ah, piece of junk! Ah, God.
God damn, we got the front part.
What are we gonna do with that? We can't do anything with that. How are we gonna get to El
Oh
Dorado
my
Hills
God.
now?
I guess we're gonna have to walk.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh my god, let's go.
At least we can start.
Well, at least we only got like 10 more miles left.
Oh yeah.
You want to run or just walk? I got my gun in my pocket. Oh, we're almost to Folsom.
Yep. Almost there.
Like, I don't know, like 3 more miles, you think?
Yeah, just about.
Oh my god, there's gonna be so many birds.
Yeah. What was that? Calm down.
Hold on.
It's okay.
Just freaked out there.
Whoa. Thought I saw something.
Okay, we gotta have a good plan, man. There's so
Okay.
many birds.
Alright, there's no way we're just gonna run in there and kill them all. We gotta be quiet, try to sneak around them. About it. There's so many birds.
How are we gonna get to El Dorado Hills?
I don't know, it's right over there too.
We're gonna have to find like a sneaky way to get over there.
Yeah,
You can't just go straight through.
there's way too many birds to go straight through. Find a plan. But for now, just keep quiet. And
Oh my god, what was that?
just probably another bird.
God,
For right now, just keep quiet and we'll think of a plan.
keep your eyes out.
Alright, so here's the plan. We're going to start off going left. We're going to get over that hill. And then after that, Mitch, what are you doing?
No!